Stop pushing me.
It's my job.
How do you always manage to find me? You don't even know how to aim.
Keep going. Hello, Tiaven,
Hello, Michele.
and welcome back to this Edna School podcast.
Today we're going to discuss how real-time technology is shaping the future of animation.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And we decided to change a little bit the ambience. There is a good question to ask. Why computer graphics imagery has always been pre-computed instead of being captured real-time? Hardware limitation. Pre-computed CGI was more realistic. In-game cinematics was always limited by VRAM consumption, which concerned polygon budget, texture size, shader compatibility, and bad effects. Backlighting was the only way to get acceptable rendering from real-time technology, but didn't allow realistic light bouncing and accurate reflection. But that's not the case anymore, since the latest hardware brought by NVIDIA and its competitors AMD, with technology like the RTX graphics card launched in August
2018?
That's it, I just forget, with the 20 series.
So with the breakthrough of new technologies such as Unreal Engine and the latest technology Lumen in the night, along with RTX hardware and AMD equivalent, in-game cinematic has been massively improved, and so is the cinema and animation nowadays. So you don't have no more long rendering time to see the results. You have a good graphic card and the job is done. Let's take an example with Disney's The Mandalorian. For them, they did not use blue or green screens. They used big LED screens with the environment already implemented on set. So the first problem solved is rotoscoping, which is a very handy work for post-production. And also they can modulate all of the set while filming. So they do not have to wait for rendering time. They can move some mountains, they can move the props while on set, and it's also very comfortable for actors because they already immersed in the environment.
And they know where they are playing at.
Yeah, so they can visualize, they do not have to imagine anymore with this, whether there's a wolf right beside them, whether there's a big wall. You can see everything on a screen, and I think that's a very good improvement of the cinema industry.
Yes, that's it. And today it's even more easy to produce good visual content with this kind of technology, as long as your country have this kind of technology available, because it's very hard to invest into all of this LED screen. It's good to say it. We are today using a green screen and we are already very happy with it. We've been amazed with all that new technology and its use. We've seen a lot of incredible studios, even bigger than ours, that were applicating this kind of new stuff, and it's very cool to know that technology will still keep going on.
I totally agree, and I'm very excited about all of these projects of new technologies in animations. And if you want to know more, if you want to dive more into all of these subjects, we have big specialists in real-time technologies and animations, so stay updated, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you liked it, of course.
And in the meantime, stay creative and inspired. Until next time.